Hi, in this video I will show you how to adjust backlight on your WAHOO Elemnt BOLT 3 cycling computer. To adjust backlight you need to open the settings. To do that, press button on the left and then press this button page to switch the pages until you see device settings, and there, using this middle button, you can switch backlight options. You can either choose on, off, 5 seconds, auto, auto max, and this is how you adjust backlight on your WAHOO Elemnt BOLT 3. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.